Today we're going to answer the question, how to file a utility patent application. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents book. I've got that book, a PDF copy of it below, right here on the link for our Bold Inventors Kit. Download that link today to get started on your journey. So this is all about laying out the major 4 sections of how to prepare and file for a U.S. utility patent application. Let's roll up our sleeves and get right to it. So section 1 is prepare your application. This means understand how far you are along with your invention. So this is gathering your description, drawings, if you've prototyped it, get pictures, sketches, yes, even that back of the napkin sketch you came up with years ago, and prepare, right? If you're hiring a patent attorney, you're gonna wanna send them as much information as possible so they can help draft that written description of what your invention is. Now, this is something you have to make sure is not already done before. To get a US patent, you may not know this, it has to be first of its kind in the whole world. That means anybody, any publication that's ever out there, even non-patent literature, books, in libraries, hard copy, of course in digital version, you've got to make sure that what you've invented has never been done before. And so having a patent search done by a professional is vital in this first step of preparing and evaluating whether a patent is right for you. So hire Bold Patents. We're a great resource for you to understand what your invention is, gather those documents, prepare, and then conduct a search to make sure that the way is clear indeed, that you've got a green light, that yours is the first of its kind, and it's not an obvious version of some other invention that's come before it. So once you've confirmed that you've got all your materials, you have an invention that is patentable, now it's time to prepare to file. So section 2 is all the different documents you have to send to the USPTO. The specification. This is the first big document about what it is your invention is, a detailed description of your invention, and that is at the end of the spec, followed by the set called claims. This is a written set of claims, usually numbered 1 through 20 or thereabout. We have at least 1 or 2 independent claims that stand on their own, and then more detailed dependent claims that follow from them. There's an abstract that must be submitted, which is a sort of a layman's language, easy to read description of what your invention is. The next one is the drawings. The drawings are technically optional, but in almost every case, they're going to help make your application more powerful and likely to succeed in getting a patent granted. So having a professional drafter, if your invention is complicated, shows section views, cuts, and you need to demonstrate how those parts interact, it might be worth your while to have a professional do those. At Bold Patents, we help our clients. We have an in-house drafter that handles those as well. An oath and declaration, you have to swear that you are the actual inventor, but there's several inventors. Each inventor has to have an oath written and signed in declaring this is your invention, not derived from someone else. Along with that is an application data sheet, a pretty decent sized document talking about who you are as the applicant. You can apply either as an individual or as an entity, and that part is going to be published once the application gets through its first year and a half or so. And that's part of the exchange you give and sharing information with the world to become smarter. In exchange, the U.S. patent system and the federal government guarantees you a limited monopoly to have the exclusion power to prevent anyone else from making, using, or selling your invention. So those are the things that need to be submitted. Section 3 is filing electronically with the USPTO. The electronic filing system, you upload all your documents, make sure you select the right patent application. Our paralegals here at Bold Patents have done this time and time again. They're happy to help walk you through this if you want to see it, or we can take care of all of this filing for you without you having to know the nitty-gritty of using the Patent Center and the USPTO electronic filing system. So section 4 is what happens next. Yeah, it's a long waiting game, unfortunately. The backlog at the patent office is usually around 9 months to a year before we hear what's called our first action. It's office action when the examiner gets to review your application, conduct their own search, and provide you information and feedback on whether they're going to allow the patent through the system. Typically, and I'll say 8 to 9 times out of 10, the examiner is going to find something about the application, the claims, something they found in the prior art search. And they're going to say, you know what, this looks a little too close to this prior art, or we're going to reject it for this other reason. Be prepared for rejection. This is quite common. Most applications average about 2.5 to 3 rejections per application. So don't get put down. Don't feel let down if you have this situation come up. Hire your attorney, stay with your patent attorney that knows your application, can help you negotiate, settle, maybe even tweak the claims a little bit, modify them to get your patent application prepared to move forward for issuance. So those are the 4 main sections of how to file and prepare a utility patent application. I know those really quick, but if you have more questions about this process or you want to learn how to get started, please schedule a free discovery call with our team here at Bold Patents. We'll answer a lot of those questions about what's next, if you're just getting started, how to prepare, right? How to decide if you've got an invention worthy of filing a patent to begin with, and anywhere in between. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.